James here from Resto Quad. Want to give everybody a rundown of our exclusive switch design for our street legal harness. This is a motorcycle turn signal switch with a horn, an accessory output, light bar, accent lights, whatever you would choose. This is a DK336, but this design is a slide-on clamp design. If you have grips on your bike that are glued on, you'd have to cut off your grips. You would have to take off some factory controls and then slide this guy on. You can see this is a fat bar, even like a gnarled bar, so this doesn't even, it's gonna give you a hard time to slide on. What we did is we did some 3D scanning, some CAD modeling, and we created a new back for this switch. The back for this switch is carbon fiber PLA, makes it a little rugged, and we developed a clamp-on style, right, that you don't have to mess with your grip, you don't have to mess with any of the factory controls. It also comes with this dampering bushing, and as you can see on this handlebar, all you have to do is find your location, use an Allen key, tighten that clamp on the back, and you're installed. You don't have to mess with any of the factory. Obviously it's not on this particular handlebar, but any of your grips, your factory controls, you don't have to touch, you don't have to slide anything on, you can clamp it on from the back. Makes it for easy, smooth installation for nearly anybody that knows righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We finally received shipment of the final component that we were waiting on that kind of held us up. I'm going to give you an overview of this. So this is our horn that's included with Harn-1. This is included with your street legal harness, no extra purchase needed. One of the main things about this horn is it has a 2-pin plug in there. As you can see, it carries power and ground through a single connector. If some of you are familiar with other motorcycle style horns, there may be 2 spade connectors there. Some of them you need the ground with the bracket. You need to ground it to the body of the vehicle. That's problematic for some of you guys out there that have powder coated bikes. The final component we were waiting for, we're excited to finish up. Now we got our plugs. We're gonna plug and wire them to our harnesses. Looking to ship out as early as the 21st. So beginning of next week, we'll be working through the weekend to get a lot of you guys that have pre-orders out the door. And then for anybody that wants to get involved in this production run, we get on early because there's only going to be a limited amount for this run. And yeah, so we're excited. We're in the home stretch here. A lot of you guys have been calling, emailing. So, you know, want to give you the final update there. This is the horn on our bike. This is a horn that is a aftermarket option replacement on Mercedes-Benz and Audi. It's also used by Wall Motors overseas. So this is an automotive grade horn. It's waterproof and comes with the same warranties that all the rest of our items have. Keep a lookout. We're coming. It's going to you guys that have been waiting. It's going to be in the mail. Priority shipping midweek next week, and we're excited.